What's up and welcome back to another vlog. I'm really excited because I just got home. I'm actually done with my exam. I'm so happy that like the stress of studying and having to prepare and not knowing what is going to come out is over. That's why I'm wearing something that looks a little like corporate. I'm looking really serious today, like with dress pants and everything. But yeah, you guys, I just got back home and I'm about to sleep. I woke up very early this morning. I don't know if I'm the only person this happens to. Whenever I know I have an exam or something like somewhere important to be, I always wake up like far ahead of time. So I set like 5 alarms, but I woke up before all of my alarms. So I've been up for a really long time. Just got home, so I just want to chill. I'm always chilling. When I edit the vlogs, I always hear myself say I'm just going to go and chill. Someone doesn't think I'm actually chilling, but like by chill I mean rest. So I'm about to rest. My entire house is a mess, you guys. I've abandoned everything for the past couple of days. Then if I have strength later on, I'm going to start cleaning. If not, it will be till tomorrow because I cannot come and kill myself. Hope you guys are doing okay. I just wanted to come in here and check in. I just got back home and there's no lights. Like, I'm honestly really upset. I just hope that they bring the light very soon because I'm already starting to sweat. Yeah, you guys, I just wanted to check in with you guys. Hope you guys are doing okay, and yeah, I'll see you guys next time I pick up my camera. Hey guys, what's up? How are you guys doing? Today is Thursday. I'm at Niger Delta restaurant in City Park. I came to buy starch because I'm really hungry. And the other restaurant where I usually buy, they didn't have starch anymore, so I just called this place and they said they still have. I actually wanted them to come deliver, you guys, but they were like, it's 1.5 for delivery, and this place is literally like 10 minutes from my house. So I was like, don't worry, I'll just drive there. It's because 1.5 is a lot to deliver something within town. I've really just been sleeping, you guys. As you can see, I've not even showered, nothing. Like, I've been sleeping all day. I slept off really early yesterday, so I woke up very early this morning. And then I just continued sleeping again in the afternoon. Like, sometimes you don't realize how tired you are until you actually give yourself time to rest. So I've just been resting. Anyways, I got here now and they're like, their starch will be ready in I think 5 to 6 minutes. So I decided to just come outside and wait in my car. You guys, like, places are getting really like full. Like, the inside of this place is full. Maybe when I go get my food I'll show you guys, but like it almost feels as if there's no more corona because people are legit like hanging out. Like, there's cages right up here, people are sitting out, people are just chilling. Like, nobody even cares anymore at this point, and I feel like I just need to join. But yeah, I just wanted to update you guys. I'm just waiting for a few minutes before I go inside to buy my food because I'm really hungry. Some people are looking at me right now and wondering like, who the hell is she talking to? It's none of your business. Oh god. You really got me. Banga, yeah. You have periwinkle. Yes, please. Guys, I'm so extra, but I got my food, so let's go home. Good morning, guys. Today is Friday and I've been up since like 6:30. I woke up really early today. The plan today is pretty much to have as productive a day as possible. I really want to try to get a lot of stuff done. I've been talking about cleaning my apartment, but I really haven't done anything, you guys. I told you I spent the most of yesterday sleeping, so I just woke up. Ignore my appearance. I just tied my hair with my bonnet because, you guys, that hair has just been giving me issues. I don't like to sleep with hair all over me, so I had to just do whatever I could to get it up. I'm about to do a quick little workout. I think I'm just going to skip and just probably do a bit of yoga. I'm not sure yet. I just want to do a bit of exercise just to get my day started, get myself pumped for the day, you know, so that my energy level can like get up, because I still feel like I just woke up, but I've been up for a minute now. So yeah, you guys, let's get skipping. my god, I only did like 200 and something skips. I couldn't do any more than that. I'm so tired. I didn't really want to do like a full-on workout. I just wanted something to like get me up and get started. So I'm probably going to make myself a cup of tea or coffee. I don't know which yet. And then I'm going to start working. I have a lot I want to do. I want to wash my makeup brushes. I need to clean my apartment. It's in a mess. I have so much I want to do. You guys just wish me luck. I pray I'm able to finish everything I want to do today. So it's currently raining like really heavily outside. I'm so sick and tired of Abuja and the everyday rain. Like, I feel like it's one of the reasons why I'm so unmotivated. The minute I set my mind to do something like during the day and then it just starts raining, I just feel like getting in bed and going to sleep. Okay, I made myself a cup of coffee because I really want to like be up and agile today. I made a whole like to-do list. I want to have a very productive day, so I'm not going to let the rain get in the middle of my business. Okay, I'm really not. Anyway, I'm just going to sit here and have my coffee. I brought my notepad with me because I want to write a list. I need to go grocery shopping, you guys. Like, I need to get a bunch of stuff that can just last me for at least 2 weeks so that I don't have to go out very often to like get grocery items or like food items or whatever. I'm just going to wait till after my exam to do that. So I'm just going to sit here and finish up my coffee and then make a list of things that I want to buy for my house. So I'm done making my list, and these are the things like I can remember off the top of my head. Like, if I remember anything else, I'll probably just come and like add it to the list. I'm done with my coffee and I'm about to go start washing my makeup brushes. I'm just going to try to clean up my kitchen, do like dishes and stuff. I can't wait to go grocery shopping, you guys. I really want to like get intentional with eating healthy. I'm not trying to go on a diet or anything, but I just want to include more like healthy and like whole foods into my diet, eat less like junk and less snacking. And even if I have to snack, I feel like I want to try to snack a bit more healthy. But anyway, yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm just going to go ahead and start like cleaning up. I need to really start with my brushes because I want them to dry before tomorrow, so I'm probably going to do that first and then clean up my kitchen, my living room, my room. Like, I'm just looking around me, you guys, and everywhere is a mess. Like, I can't even turn the camera around to show you guys because it's a hot ass mess. But I'm just going to get started because I really want to be done. I'm so happy I got like an early start to my day, so I'm really positive that I'll finish a lot of things that were on my checklist for today. So let me just go ahead and get started. All right, you guys, so I'm done washing my brushes. Oh my god, I'm so happy. I don't have a lot of brushes anymore, but I actually like that. And I'm going to like change out some of my what are these called, my beauty blenders, because they're getting really old and they're beginning to like tear. You know when like your beauty blenders tear when you're washing them? So I have to replace a couple of them and probably get new brushes as well. While I was washing my brushes, I was listening to this Jesus and Jollof podcast, and it's really good, you guys. You should definitely check it out if you haven't. I actually shared this before, but I actually just picked up where I stopped, and it's honestly really good, you guys. They're quite long, so I just use them whenever I'm doing chores and stuff like that. It's very helpful, very relatable. It's great for people who are like growing up. Like, if you're in your mid-20s and going up, like, I feel like you really enjoyed this podcast, so you guys should definitely check it out. I'm about to go do other things, but yeah, I just wanted to show you guys that my brushes are now clean. head out to the store. It's a little past 5 now, and I'm so happy I got a lot of stuff done. You can see my bed already looks better, like my entire house looks better. I cleaned the entire house actually, like I did a really good job. Babe, what's up? Alright, okay. Yeah, I'm about to, I swear to God, I was just on my vlog, legit, like saying I'm about to leave the house. As I was saying, I'm about to head out to the store. I'm so happy, like I feel like I got so much done today and I'm really proud of myself. So yeah, I'll see you guys when I get to the store. So I'm at FMC, the place where I usually get my meat from. That's my meat ceiling right there. I just want to show you guys. No, nuts on the other aisle. It's here. I want to try and get some type of nuts. These ones look more like healthy, I don't know. Hey you guys, what's up? Today is Saturday and I'm about to head out to that garden I spoke about in my last vlog. I have a couple plants that I want to get from the lady and she said she'll be there until 12. It's currently 11 o'clock, so I need to head out like now. It's quite a long distance from where I live, so I'm about to head to the garden and I'll see you guys when we get there. So I'm at the garden now, about to call the lady so I can go inside and like check out the plants that I want. So let's go. Yeah, this is a nice one. It's already dropping, yeah. Okay, I think I'll do that one. So it's really small. Okay, well not bad, Sha. It will grow.
Leaves won't get large.
Yes, I know they won't get large, but it will grow. It can climb too, right?
Yes,
it can climb. Okay. I really like this one.
This one?
Yeah.
This one is not for sale. I'm just growing. In fact,
everyone is hoarding them. Oh, you sold the other one you posted.
Yes,
oh.
I in fact, after I said yes, I now said no. She said lie.
The size.
Yeah.
Okay.
And the Monstera can go in.
Can go in that small one. Okay. I like that one now.
Okay.
So I think let's do that one. How much is that one? If I'll be picking what I cannot pay for. You give me discounts now. Based on we're not customers. Okay, yes, I like this one. If you want any plants in Abuja, like this is where you should come. It's so pretty. Try now, let's see. Okay, to enter actually. Not bad. Alright. You guys, I'm back home. I'm so thirsty. I also stopped at the market as well to get a bunch of stuff. I wanted to get some more. Like yesterday when I went shopping, I didn't finish getting everything that I wanted, so I went to the market to get like beans, tomatoes and things like that. I also bought vegetable. They already sliced it. This is just 200 naira vegetable. I want to use it to make like vegetable sauce that I can use to eat, like plantain, potatoes, rice, whatever. So I'll be cooking that later. But yeah, I just go home now, you guys. Just want to try and put everything that I bought together and whatnot. I'm really thirsty. It was really hot outside today. But right now the clouds are actually gathering. It looks like it's about to rain, which is fine by me because you guys, yesterday night I made let me show you. It's done now, but I made a bit of plantain pepper soup. I made that with chicken and that's literally all that's left. I also made a bit of fish pepper soup as well, so I'm probably going to just eat that now. I'll probably boil more plantains to like add into the other one and then have it with some of the fish. So yeah, let me show you guys my plants because I haven't shown you yet. They're on my table there. These are the plants that I got, you guys. I've wanted this. This is actually a species of Monstera. It's called a Monstera adansonii, I believe. I think that's how it's pronounced, but like I've wanted this for a very long time. I just love the leaves. I feel like leaves are what like attracts me to a plant. I really love the leaves. So I finally got that. I'm planning to have some like floating shelves above this my work area. So that's what these two plants are going to do. They're going to just like decorate the shelf area. This is a pothos. I believe it's what she call it. I think marble something pothos. And then there's also this other plant here. I think she called them copycat mints or something like that.
Creeping Charlie. fake mint. It's a
Fake
philia.
mint. Oh. I actually saw some of them hanging from her gate, and I was like, oh, this is a nice plant. And fortunately for me, there's actually one attached to my pothos, so I'm going to be propagating it in another like planter. I'll just snip it off and plant it somewhere else so it can grow on its own. And I also got a ZZ plant, you guys, and everyone loves it, and I just saw it there and it was really affordable. I was very surprised, so I decided to buy the ZZ plant as well. Those are like the 3 small like plants I got, and then this is like the big like plant. I wanted you guys to be able to see this properly, but like I really wanted a plant with huge ass leaves. I think she called it a climbing philodendron. There's this other philodendron I wanted to get from her, but she said she wasn't selling them because it's really cute, and she had sold like the only other one she had. Went around the garden like to the back, and I saw this one and I really liked it. The leaves are really cute. Like the leaves are really cute. They're very like big. I love plants with big leaves, so yeah. What is in this pot, but I might change it or just put the pot in a basket so like it blends with every other thing. Those are my 4 new plants. I don't have names for them yet, so if you guys have any name suggestions, leave them down below. Okay, that's pretty much it. I want to end the vlog here because I'm very tired. For some reason I'm very sleepy. I don't know why, but I just want to go and try and rest. I'm going to just eat and sleep and like chill for the rest of the day. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I didn't start vlogging until Wednesday because of my exam, but I hope you guys enjoyed it regardless. If you haven't subscribed, please don't forget to subscribe. And I also want you guys to please help me share the video. So while you're watching, whatever part of the video you feel was your favorite part, please share it on your Insta stories and tag me so I can repost and so we can get more people to come watch the vlog. So don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and leave me all your comments down below. I love reading your comments and replying to them. That's pretty much it, you guys. I really hope you enjoyed this vlog, and I will see you in the next one. Okay, bye.